I live at the edge of the world. Time stands still here, but the sea has plans of its own.
My subsequent comments after that, they're generally very good. My comments earlier on tended to be that people were sort of overwriting for the scene. I'm glad to say that most of these now are quite subtle.
Thomas Dolby has been a wonderful addition, of course, to the music engineering and technology space at Peabody. And Thomas was uniquely positioned, I think, to start the Music for New Media program.
Thomas's career goes back decades. He kind of came up as this sort of maverick artist, learning through experimentation. And I think that has really informed a lot of our program. Like, we want our students to experiment.
He can go into the classroom and say, I am teaching you this because I know it, because I know it is important, because I have lived this experience.
But Professor Dolby really hones in on making sure that you find your sound. We're being taught how to think creatively.
He truly is a visionary. He's so much more concerned in looking at what things might be in 5 to 10 years, 20 years.
And I think the Taylor A. Hanex Professorship in Music for New Media is another major step forward in our music engineering and technology program. Taylor is, in my mind, sort of the quintessential wonderful volunteer. She is incredibly generous herself, but also a great advocate for Peabody, just her passion for the place. Taylor chaired the advisory board for a number of years. She has enthusiasm for the craft, enthusiasm for the students, and for a forward-looking view of arts in the world. And so Thomas is, being the inaugural holder of this particular professorship is significant because this program is the latest manifestation of Peabody's entrepreneurship and innovation.
A big part of the program is, here are the skills, but also, how do you take those skills into the real world?
I'm really excited for Professor Dolby. I'm very glad that he's being recognized, and it's amazing to see this program growing more and more every single year.
But most importantly, having an endowed professorship around this allows a measure of financial sustainability for all the great things that we want to do in these programs.